viewers, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 24-inch 250% density, yes, we love 250% density, curly wig from Asteria hair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig, and let me tell you guys, it already came pre-plucked. The knots were already bleached, and like, guys, it's eating. It is really eating. It looks good, you guys. I am obsessed. And look at this, like, whoa, okay, big hair. Like, you guys know, I don't usually get big hair, but this here, like, I look like a superstar. I look like a diva. Like, I really do. I love it, you guys. We are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig. I'm super excited. Like, nothing beats a new wig. I love a new wig, you guys. Bam, so here it is. It has their branding on it, Asteria hair on the package. And let's see what we're working with here, you guys. I wonder, can I get this thing to focus, because it keeps moving and changing its color, and I don't really like that too much. So firstly, we are going to go look at these gifts in here, you guys. So we have a headband for melting that lace, bam, bam, bam. A pair of lashes, a wig cap, an edge brush. And this is like a little satin baggie, very cute. I do like the color of this brand, very cutesy. But let's look at this wig. So on the outside, we have a large cap. I am a big head girly. So if you want a big head friendly wig, here we are, you guys. So they do have a way to choose what size wig cap you want. So if you are a smaller head girly, they got you. But I got large because my head is big. But I got a large, it's HD lace, 250% density, so she's thick, you guys. She's super thick, super pretty, and then we got a 24-inch. So let's actually unbox this wig and see what we're looking at. What's going on here? Ooh, okay. Okay, this is a nice curl pattern, you guys. Let me take off the netting. As you can see, it is already pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached. Like, look at that, it does look really good. So we can just put this wig right on, honey. We can put it on. And this is like a kinky curly, so this is interesting, you guys. This is like a lot more of a kinky texture, but you know, I feel like this is a nice length for a kinkier texture too, so that is interesting. I like that. And if we look at the lace is very thin, you guys. So that is fantastic. Oh, okay, we got a full 13x4. Like, you know, some of these companies, they try to cheat you on your lace space to where they give you the U part. Nope, you got a full 13x4. So you can do cute little updos, put bows in your hair, do whatever. Very cutesy. So I do love that. And you have an elastic band in the back. But we are going to go ahead and put this wig on. Like, there's the curl pattern, you guys. Very cutesy. I feel like this looks natural. It should look very natural. But we are going to go ahead and put this wig on. The first thing I'm going to do is spray the lace with a little lace tint to get it a little darker and closer to my skin tone, because I am a brown chocolate girly. Yeah, these knots are bleached very well. I don't know if you all can see, but these knots look good, you guys. They did a good job bleaching the knots. Now let's put this wig on. Okay. Oh, she's really pretty right out the package. They did a really good job plucking this wig. Of course, the lace is still on there, but look at that. It looks good, you guys. I like this curl. This curl is interesting. I like it. You know, I usually don't go for more of the kinkier curls, but this one is very nice. I like this. And I think the length of it does help it too. It looks like very natural. Yeah, look at this. This looks so good. They did a good job here. Okay, period. They ate. And yeah, as you can see, it is super duper thick. You can part it, do a little toss over type look, bam. Cute, it eats. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually install this wig. The first thing I'm going to do is cut 2 little slits at the temples. And we're going to do a very quick install. Like, this looks good all the way around. They did a good job plucking the hairline. Like, I can't believe, I've been wearing wigs for a while. I can't believe nowadays you don't have to do much at all. I cannot believe that. I remember, I still do bleach knots on some wigs, but it's so easy now. It is really, really easy. I'm going to go ahead and take my eyebrow razor and cut this lace off. I'm just gonna cut all the lace off and glue it all at once. Sometimes I do work in sections, but I don't know. This does not seem like a hard install at all. It seems like it would be very, very easy to install this wig. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my lace spray and we're gonna do 3 layers. Oh wait, oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna do 3 layers, guys. What was I doing? 3 layers, I'm so sorry, but okay. So this is layer 1. We're kind of put the spray where we want our wig to lie. Kind of smooth it, bam. And then we're gonna blow dry, and this is layer 1. Okay, so we're gonna move to layer 2 now. So we are on layer 3, the last layer, and I do it a little bit differently, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lace spray down. Bam, bam, bam. And now I'm going to actually put the wig where I want it to lay before I blow dry. So we want it about right here. Oh, this looks good. This lace is really, really thin and pretty. I do like it. Okay, bam. Very cute, very, very cute. I like it. And now I'm gonna blow dry. Let's add a little makeup up here just because the spray kind of added like that little tint a little bit, made it a little light. So let's just add a little. Oh, this is very, very pretty, you guys. Like, oh my goodness. Like the curl pattern is actually very, very cute. I like this. Look at that, bam. This is very pretty. It's just that easy, you guys. It doesn't even need any kind of baby hair or anything. It just looks good. Like, this is cute. Okay, let me show you all how long the hair is. So I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. So, as you can see, it falls right here on me. So right under my chest. And it looks good. This hair is big. I like it. The 250% density is 250% density. However you say it, but this looks good. So this is how the hair looks from the back, you guys. Like, bam, straight out the pack. Like, let me put it all back here. Like, this looks good, you guys. Very, very pretty. Like, low key, this could be mine, honestly. This could just be mine. This could be my hair. But of course, because this is a full 13x4, you could like do a side part or something if you want to pin it up or anything. Like, this looks cute. I love how big it is, actually. I really do like it. And then the hairline itself looks so good. Like, they did such a good job plucking the wig. They kind of ate Asteria. I do really, really like this. If you are a curlier, kinkier, you like big hair, oh, this is for you. This is you. This wig is 100% for you. It's very, very cute. Like, this is different. This is very different. I do feel like this look is very, very glamorous. Like, okay, Asteria, you ate that. This is really cute. Okay, guys, so of course I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.